Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'm here to show you the easiest way to get mirage, dokings or anything like that, like leviathans and dokings and everything like that. So let's get to the video. What is that method? The method is just go to the video's description and click on the Discord link that I have put there. Just join that Discord server and voila, there you go, it's complete. Just join the channel where it says Mirage Hunt or anything like that. What you need, just go in that channel and that's it. Just ask anyone if they are like doing Leviathan Hunt, Sea Beast Hunt or something like that. Just ask them and you can join them. It's that simple. That's it for today. If you have any questions, I will also put the Discord servers owners YouTube channel link in the description. So if you have any questions, you can just go and ask them there, or you can just ask any staff member or helper. Please consider liking the video, and we are so close to 200 subscribers, and if you think I deserve more than this, please consider subscribing as well. I will see you in the next one, and till then, bye bye.